Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Have you ever pondered the vast impact of substance abuse on our society? It's a profound question that brings to light the reality of a significant issue many face today. Introduction to Substance Abuse Counseling. Substance abuse is not a distant phenomenon, it's prevalent, affecting millions across the globe. This prevalence underscores the essential need for effective substance abuse counseling. Counseling for substance abuse is a specialized field, a unique blend of psychological understanding, compassion, and skill. It's about helping individuals regain control of their lives, guiding them on the path to recovery and healing. In this video, we're going to explore various aspects of substance abuse counseling. We'll delve into the process of substance abuse diagnosis, examine it from a multicultural perspective, and discuss the role of residential rehabilitation programs. We'll also explore outpatient counseling agencies, employee assistance programs, and the specific counseling approaches for alcohol dependence and drug addiction. So, let's dive deep into the world of substance abuse counseling and its vital role in society. Substance abuse diagnosis. Understanding the problem is the first step towards its solution. In the realm of substance abuse, this couldn't be more true. The process of diagnosis is critical. It's not as simple as checking off a list of symptoms. It requires a comprehensive understanding of the individual's experiences, behaviors, and patterns of use. Psychologists utilize several criteria to diagnose substance abuse, including the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, 5th edition, commonly known as the DSM-5. This handbook provides a standardized framework for diagnosis, helping professionals to identify substance-related disorders with specific criteria, such as the nature and severity of the individual's substance use, its impact on their daily life, and the presence of withdrawal symptoms. These assessments don't just identify the problem, they also provide valuable insights that guide treatment, tailoring it to the unique needs of the individual. So remember, accurate diagnosis is the foundation of effective treatment. It's the starting point from which recovery can truly begin. Multicultural perspective. Substance abuse is not confined to any culture or ethnicity. It's a global issue, transcending borders, languages, and cultural norms. However, cultural factors can significantly impact how substance abuse manifests and the approach to treatment. Cultural context shapes our perception of substance use and misuse. For instance, some societies might view certain substances as acceptable or even integral to social rituals, while others may stigmatize or criminalize the same substances. These cultural perspectives can influence individuals' attitudes towards substance use and their willingness to seek help. Treatment strategies also need to be culturally sensitive. Counselors should strive for cultural competence, understanding and respecting the cultural backgrounds of their clients. This involves recognizing cultural biases, learning about different cultural practices and beliefs, and adapting counseling strategies to be culturally appropriate. This multicultural perspective is crucial. It allows counselors to connect with clients on a deeper level, fostering trust and open communication. It's not just about treating symptoms, but understanding the person as a whole. Appreciating cultural diversity can enhance the effectiveness of substance abuse counseling. Residential rehabilitation programs. Sometimes, a supportive environment can be the key to recovery. This is particularly true when it comes to residential rehabilitation programs for substance abuse. These programs play an indispensable role in the journey towards sobriety and health, providing a sanctuary where individuals can focus solely on their recovery, free from the triggers and stresses of their everyday lives. Residential rehabilitation programs are structured living environments that offer intensive, round-the-clock treatment for substance abuse. They provide a safe space where individuals can immerse themselves in recovery, surrounded by a community of peers who share the same struggles and goals. The power of this communal experience should not be underestimated. It fosters a sense of camaraderie and mutual support that can play a vital role in overcoming addiction. One of the major benefits of residential rehabilitation programs is the structured routine they provide. Each day is carefully planned with a mix of therapy sessions, educational workshops, and recreational activities. This structure helps to instill discipline and routine, two elements that are often lacking in the chaotic world of substance abuse. It also ensures that residents are actively engaged in their recovery throughout the day, keeping their minds focused and their spirits engaged. It's important to note, however, that not all residential rehabilitation programs are the same. Each one is unique, offering a range of therapies and approaches to suit the individual needs of their residents. Some may focus on holistic therapies like yoga and meditation, while others may emphasize cognitive behavioral therapy or 12-step programs. The best fit will depend on the individual's personal preferences, their substance of choice, and the severity of their addiction. Remember, the journey to recovery is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It takes time, patience, and a lot of hard work. But with the right support and treatment, anyone can overcome the chains of substance abuse and start a new chapter in their life. Residential rehabilitation programs can provide a lifeline to those in the grips of substance abuse. They offer a structured, supportive environment where individuals can focus on their recovery, surrounded by a community of peers who understand their struggles. And in the fight against addiction, that kind of support can make all the difference in the world. Outpatient counseling agencies. Not all roads to recovery require a residential stay. In fact, outpatient counseling agencies play a pivotal role in providing flexible and accessible treatment for those grappling with substance abuse. These agencies offer a unique opportunity for individuals to seek help while maintaining their day-to-day routines. Imagine the convenience of receiving therapy or counseling without having to sacrifice your daily responsibilities. This is what outpatient counseling agencies offer. They understand that life doesn't stop because of substance abuse, and recovery shouldn't either. These agencies offer a variety of services, including individual counseling, group therapy, and even family counseling. They are staffed by dedicated professionals who are committed to helping individuals navigate the path to recovery. The advantages of outpatient counseling are significant. It offers a greater degree of flexibility, allowing individuals to balance treatment with work, education, and family responsibilities. It can also be less disruptive to one's routine and lifestyle. Outpatient counseling can offer a viable path to recovery while maintaining life's responsibilities. Employee assistance programs. Workplaces are not immune to the effects of substance abuse. On the contrary, they can often become microcosms where these issues are magnified. Enter Employee Assistance Programs, or EAPs, designed specifically to provide support to employees grappling with personal problems, including substance abuse. EAPs serve a dual purpose. On one hand, they offer confidential counseling, referrals, and follow-up services to employees. On the other, they also aid organizations in addressing productivity issues. The beauty of these programs lies in their win-win nature. Employees gain access to much-needed support, while employers benefit from a more productive, healthier workforce. The ripple effects of EAPs extend beyond the individual to the entire team. When employees are supported in their struggles, morale improves. A happier, healthier workplace takes shape, one where substance abuse does not cast a long shadow. Employee assistance programs can play a crucial role in mitigating the effects of substance abuse in the workplace. They're not just programs, they're lifelines within the corporate world. Counseling for alcohol dependents and drug addicts. Alcohol and drug addiction are often the most visible forms of substance abuse. These dependencies can wreak havoc on an individual's life, making it imperative to address them with effective counseling strategies. When dealing with alcohol and drug addiction, the challenges are multifaceted and complex. It's not only about breaking the physical dependence, but also about addressing the psychological, social, and emotional aspects that come with it. The individual's environment, personal history, and mental health are all intertwined with their addiction, making it a deeply personal and unique struggle for each person. This is where tailored, patient-centered counseling steps in. This approach goes beyond a one-size-fits-all model. It focuses on the individual's unique needs and circumstances, proving to be more effective in aiding recovery. It's about understanding the person behind the addiction, their strengths and weaknesses, their triggers and coping mechanisms. It's about building a therapeutic alliance, a partnership between the counselor and the individual, where trust, empathy, and mutual respect are at the heart of the relationship. Counseling for alcohol and drug addiction can take many forms, from cognitive behavioral therapy and motivational interviewing to family therapy and group counseling. These techniques aim to help individuals develop healthier coping strategies, rebuild their self-esteem, and mend damaged relationships. They also work to address any underlying mental health issues, such as depression or anxiety, that may be contributing to the addiction. The road to recovery is often a long and challenging one, filled with setbacks and victories. But it's important to remember that change is possible. With the right support and counseling, individuals can break free from the shackles of addiction, reclaim control over their lives, and embark on a journey towards a healthier, more fulfilling future. Through effective counseling, those struggling with alcohol or drug addiction can find a path to recovery and a brighter future. The journey may be tough, but with determination, resilience, and the right support, anyone can overcome addiction and rediscover a life of peace, fulfillment, and happiness. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.